In this video, I want to name these organic compounds. As we see here, that's saturated, and we have basically alkane family. So the first thing we need to do, we need to find the longest carbon chain, and let's see how to find it. So if we use this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I guess that's gonna be the longest chain. So 1, 2, 3, like that. That will give me the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, that's the one. And let's see if we need to name it from this side or this side. If we start here, we have 1, 2, and the 2 methyl groups will be on the second carbon. And if you start from here, the first substituent is going to be on the third carbon. So it's better to start with from this side. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let's see what are the groups, the alkyl groups we have. We have methyl group here, methyl group here, methyl group here, and methyl group here. So we have 4 methyl groups. So basically it's going to be 2 and 2, 3 and 6, and then we need to write the number of them, tetramethyl. Okay, what else do we have? We have another one here. We had it earlier. That's isopropyl. Isopropyl, because it's unbranched. We have this secondary carbon. You remember in the video for secondary and tertiary substituent, we said when the carbon is connected to 2 others, it will be secondary or sec. SEC. So we have isopropyl. So which carbon is 4th carbon? So since we have iso, it comes before M, because we need to order them alphabetically. So iso comes before M. So we have 4 isopropyl, 2, 2, 3, 4 tetramethyl, and how many? 8 octane. So that will be the name of the organic compounds we have here.